Hello, everyone! In this episode of your German learning journey, we're going to talk about how to perfect your first impression. Because saying hello the right way in German is the best way to show you respect the culture and understand the situation. Today, we'll go step by step on how to choose the perfect greeting. We'll cover greetings for different times of the day, formal versus casual situations, and even discover some cool local greetings from different parts of Germany. Ready? Let's dive right into the absolute basics. Greetings based on the time of day. Think of these as your wild cards. Whether you're in an important business meeting or just popping into a grocery store, these greetings will never let you down. It's actually very simple. Think of it like this. You wake up in the morning, and until around 11 a.m., you say Guten Morgen, just like our good morning. Then the longest part of the day begins. For any time between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m., there is one main phrase. Guten Tag. You can think of it as good day. Once the clock strikes 6 p.m., we switch to Guten Abend, meaning good evening. It's that simple. Let's repeat that one more time to make sure it sticks. Until 11 a.m. Guten Morgen. Good morning. From 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Guten Tag. Good day. After 6 p.m. Guten Abend. Good evening. Now, let me let you in on a little secret. Germans actually tend to shorten some of these greetings in everyday life. Instead of saying Guten Morgen, they'll quickly just say Morgen. Or, when evening rolls around, instead of Guten Abend, you might hear them say N'Abend. But keep this in mind. Guten Tag is not shortened. It stays exactly as it is. It is the most standard, reliable greeting you have. Keep that in your back pocket. All right, enough with the formalities. Let's let our hair down. What do we say when we're talking to friends, family, or people we're close to? Now is the time to make that warm, casual connection. On one side, we have our formal, safe haven, Guten Tag. On the other side, we have the more relaxed, friendly, Hallo or Hi. One is like wearing a sharp suit, and the other is like throwing on your favorite t-shirt. And that brings us to the most important word, Hallo. This word is basically your Swiss Army knife. It's a truly universal hello. It fits everywhere, it's never too stiff, and it's never too informal. So if you ever freeze up and don't know what to say, just say Hallo. I guarantee you it's the right answer. Are you ready to take things to the next level? Let's travel to different regions of Germany and discover those special greetings that only the locals use. Our first stop is the north. Think of cities like Hamburg or Bremen. The magic word you'll hear here is Moin or Moin Moin. Do you know the most interesting part? You can use this word morning, noon, evening, or night. You could say Moin to someone at 10 p.m. and it would be completely normal. Now let's travel from the north down to the south, towards Bavaria and Austria. There is a very warm word you'll hear frequently down here, Servus. And the best part? Servus is used both as a hello when you arrive and a goodbye when you leave, 2 for the price of 1. We're staying in the south for this next one, but this time it's a slightly more formal greeting. Grüß Gott. Today, in Bavaria or Austria, it's just a perfectly standard and respectful way of greeting someone instead of Guten Tag, so don't be surprised if you hear it. All right, that's enough theory. Now we've reached the most enjoyable part, practice. We're going to take everything we've learned and see how we'd use it in real life. Scenario 1. It's 9 a.m. and you're walking through the office doors. What do you say to your coworkers? You have a few seconds to think. Got it? Of course, you'd say Guten Morgen. If the atmosphere is a bit more relaxed, a quick Morgen works perfectly too. Scenario 2. It's the middle of the day, 2:30 p.m. You're at the supermarket, putting your groceries on the conveyor belt. How do you greet the cashier? Exactly right. Guten Tag. It's standard, respectful, and always works. Scenario 3. You're meeting a good friend at a cafe. They wave at you. What's the first word out of your mouth? Awesome. You definitely say hello, or maybe even hi. Keeping it casual is the best. Scenario 4. You are in the city of Hamburg, and you need to greet someone like a true local. What do you say? That's it! You nailed it! Moin, of course. Bravo! Truly fantastic progress today. You now know how to say hello in German in pretty much any situation you can think of. So, the ball is in your court now. Out of everything you've learned today, which German greeting are you going to try out first? Let me know in the comments. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to say goodbye. See you next time.